Good day, guys. Good day, guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are absolutely good. Good. So, so we just want to analyze gold real quickly. Interesting hair, hair that keeps everybody excited. Everybody excited. Go, let's guys go. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Not not in terms of monetary wise or anything, but like in terms of improving. Trading is all about improving. Trading, remember, it's just best you like. It's just that it's just you, man, evaluating your performance, tracking whatever that you do. Why you taking? Why are you taking the losses? Why? How did you take this week? Those things. Honestly, guys, like I won't lie. If you're gonna be a trader and you're not gonna be consistent, bro, it's gonna be a problem. Like, bro, honestly, bro, it's going to be a problem, bro. A big problem. Honestly, bro, that consistency all of, like when I heard about like like you know, in trading, especially in trading, see trading is very crucial, very to get your best day. Every day, like come up, like the market doesn't need you to sleep, it doesn't need you like not really know like not if you're not sure about what you're gonna be doing for the day or for the week, and it's gonna come trade. It's going to show you the market is going to show you product. That's one thing clear. So need to be very, very much need to be aware that the market is also smart. The market is also copy the market is the human behavior patterns. That's the market. You need to understand that. You need to understand that. Yep. Um, hence they repeat and over again because us as human beings we tend to same so again even if change the approach but then at the end of the day it's still the same. So yeah, that's that's my so we're analyzing gold here. So gold is I don't know what's it, but gold is already showing us signs of break fracture, you know, things like that. But again it's at the support. So should take it into consideration. Uh, I see price selling. Hmm, it's very hard to say. It's very hard to say price is going to sell. But yeah, trust me, I think price is vibe. Price is going to vibe. I think, but Okay, price is at a very crucial point. Price is at a very, very crucial. This is super interesting. Sorry for that pause, guys. I was I was in that mood. If you know, you know. I was in that of critical thinking, of decision making, thinking. Because you know, guys, how it is in trading. You can just make a decision just based on, because this is price action trading, guys. So cannot be too certain. So you need multiple confirmations. So we're not gonna try to guess this trade. We're not. Obviously, this is a trade that we could take next week. This is the trade I could take next week because um I'm pretty sure that you won't be even be here next week watching this video. So I'm just making this video for myself so that I can just stay consistent. So trust me, guys. Hmm, yeah. Yo, bro, like I don't really care about who's gonna be watching this. Mm, like I, I don't really care. You know, I'm just doing this for myself because I know that never something goes wrong, never I add, just come back to these videos. That's what I do. I find my edge, the video. So yeah, just think that all is by. But I don't wanna, I don't want to guess this trade. I don't want to, I don't wanna trade like that. So I'm just gonna put confirmation, everything, so that I can know that I'm safe in this trade. But then if I can just see price out of the structure, like if I can just see price that it do that, super nice, super nice. But at this point now, what you wanna do, you see here, this is supposed to be a retest. Price is supposed to go back down. Ne? I think we all know that. Price from here, price from here is supposed to go down. Like see, this is supposed to. It is the. It was a support. This was support. But it got broken. But price rejected last time. Well, went up again. Boom, sold again. Retested, sold, retesting. Was expecting again a sell. You know, could be one of those things again. If you can just see price breaking here, if you can just see price breaking here, just know that price, boom, it's going for sales. But if price comes here, stall, goes back, stall, goes back, stall, boom, break is going for a big buy. It's going for big buy. This is a very crucial area, guys. It's a very, very, very crucial area, guys. I don't want to lie to you. I don't even want to lie to you. It's a very crucial area for gold right now, to be aware of. So I don't know. I'm making you guys aware of that. You know. Oh, bruh, bruh. Mm, this could be a clean buy, bruh. If this neck continues happening like this, isn't like, do you see like look, man, I know that people selling gold. Trust me, I was selling gold. Like I made I traded gold last night. They just said yesterday, and I was selling gold. You know, cause look at that. This is gold. This is this is gold. What's the trend? What's the trend? What's the trend, guys? The trend is simple. As you can see, price, where is it going? Down. Price is just going down. So Are you saying that? Are we saying that price is gonna reverse all of this? Yeah, I am saying that there could be a possibility if price. You see here, I see if price fails to break this support. See if price fails to break this support and stalls, it's just gonna force price to break and go up. You know, unfortunately, that's what could happen. But the good thing is that um I'm showing you guys what to do in these areas. You just do that because you know that if price comes here, comes comes, fails, if this becomes a solid foundation, if this becomes a foundation, price could buy. You could say this is the the final this is the final support, guys. This is the final support. you know if price breaks here, price is going to sell. See if price breaks here, this final support, guess what? Price is going to sell. Trust. And a very long I don't even lie, bro. And a very long term, if price breaks this final support, price is going to buy for a long time. It's going to sell for a long time. And but today is Friday. It's a very, very crucial day. So it's like I could enter gold buys. I don't know why. But then again, I trade, to be honest, I trade with confirmation. That's one thing. Now one person could say, no, bro, I just enter now. It's like, no, I can do. My strategy doesn't allow me to just jump, to be honest. Just doesn't, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It works after a month. That's how this thing is. So, I'm very excited about this. You see here, bruh, it's a very, very crucial, bruh. So, it's a crucial area. So, very, I'm loving this. Yeah. No, it's a final support, crucial area. So, Isaac, the correct spelling, right, guys? Yeah. But yes. No. Just gonna wait on gold, nothing much. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. So this is my bias on gold. As I've said, let me just do a recap for you guys. Just do a quick recap. So as you can see, price is in a it's in a channel. It's in a channel. As you can see, the overall direction it's a sell. Price is going down, but then this is a retest. It's like it's a flag. It's a bearish flag. This one is creating a bearish flag. But then again, guys, the reason why this bearish flag is taking time is because if you can look at here, we're at a bigger time frame. If you can just look at that, it's like a much bigger time. The daily time frame, this one. So as you can see, price overall it's in a that's the first bearish flag. Boom, price went down. This is the second bearish flag. So from there, from here, at any time expect price to sell. So meaning that we're gonna create a what gonna create those lows. To see price, if price, as hence I was saying, that was the final support, and we are at a very crucial area, because if you can look at price right now here, if you can just look at here, just here, if you can just clearly and look at it, we are at the support, meaning that let me just put this again. You know, if guys, if you can just look at here, we are at the crucial area. If price breaks below here and plays below here, if today price breaks there, closes below there, guys, next week we're not talking much. We know that price is gonna go down because we've seen that in the past. Whenever price is below the support, price is below it's down, it's down there. Whenever price is below, whenever price is below, let me just do this. Whenever price is below, there's zone. You see, there's zone. That ends I'm saying price is at a very crucial area. See, this zone is very important because this zone, it's like in, I don't know, but the equator or the whatever in the center. Like this support is centering this zone. You see, if it's above, it's above the support, it'll go up. Above the support, below the support, it goes low. Above the support, it's always up. Above the support, it's always up. Above the support, up. Above the support. If this is above the support, means that price might see also price giving us that bullish, momentum. That is something that we might see happening. But you don't want to be taking unconfirmed decisions. You don't want to be doing that because that could be the first mistake that you should be doing. What you want to do is patience always, because price might just surprise you. Boom, sell. It has the right that, remember, we're in a bearish or we're in a bearish market. We're in a bearish market, meaning that price has all the volatility to sell, has all the to go and sell. So if buyers are trying to step in, you need confirmation of that. You need confirmation on that. So yeah, that was the recap for you guys. So guys, if I don't know if you stay till this far in this, I just broke this goal, and if you're gonna trust what I'm saying, it's going to be on you. And again, I'm not giving anyone any financial advice or anything like that. No, this is just me doing a market analysis, on gold and sharing my thoughts. So again, guys, as you can see, we are at the very, very, I'm very like, guys, you don't know how happy I am, man. I'm super excited because this is where we're gonna see traders. Like me, I like this kind of because this is where some of us, if we meet, we're gonna talk about this move. So it's like you saw that move, that happened when I how it is, man, traders, you know, and there are obviously some big traders who are trading big, you know. As we still, I'm still a beginner trader. I wouldn't say I'm at that level that I would say, but I'm in the development phases. I'm still developing as a trader. Yeah, but guys, man, this is a very crucial area, man. Oh, so I don't know. I don't know why I keep seeing buys. I really don't know, bruh. I really don't know. But then you see, if I see price playing here, you see just playing here, I'm going to win, because if I can tell you that price has no business coming here, price has absolute zero business coming, So if price comes here and closes, me, I'm good. You know, that will be my first in, like that would be my first entry signal that for a buy, that bruh, You see, if I'm gonna take this gold buy, I am going to ride it. You get my, I am going to swing at it. You get my point. No, I'm just gonna do that, bruh. So that's what I'm. If price decides to respect that support, you see, this is what I'm gonna do to price on gold. You know, easy. Oh, again, guys, I am, what I can say, when I analyze, I make sure that I also cater. You know, if my bias is wrong, I always have a safety net. You know, I know that, okay, where price is going to indicate to me very early, very, that no, you're wrong. I'm going to sell actually. So I'm going to see that very. So do you see that when you go to wars, different, you see this, like, this is what I talk about, um um analyzing the T. So you don't need to skip anything. So we now have the clear picture of what's going. So if anybody is going to tell you that price is going to sell or buy like now, just know that bruh, they are guessing the market. So hence I'm waiting for, you see here, I'm waiting for confirmations. You know, I'm not going to just step into the market just like that. No, that's not wrong. I'm going to wait. Just like confirmations, you know. So the first confirmation I'm going to wait for is the break. You see here, there's it look support lines. So there's support line. This is the first. You see this one. I get it now. You see prices is trying to reject here. This, because this was the support. Now it's, and so we want to see if price is going to respect this support, which is now turning into a resistance. And if we see multiple fails of breaking the newly formed resistance, if we see multiple breaks here, failed breaks, if we see that price has been failing to break, yeah, for multiple times, we will automatically know that no, means price is ready for sales. If price just keeps bouncing and it keeps showing us that there is a strong newly formed resistance, we will I will definitely, look for going to the downside. If price breaks here for me, breaks this trend line, also break the support, basically. So that's how simple my analysis are. You know, that's how simple my analysis are. So from here, I don't want to talking any further. I've went detailed in trade. To be honest, guys, I don't usually do this, but then if you see this video, I trust me, you're not going to go wrong because I've actually broken down this trade to you guys, whether how price is going to act from here, because of price is at the crucial area, as I've said, guys. Don't forget that price is at the crucial area, the final support there. So yeah, I think the next time I'm gonna post a video, I'll be posting a video showing how I took this trade. And there's nothing I'm going to do on this setup. I'm just going to leave everything just like this, you know. I'm gonna leave everything unless I want to expand something. But this is, yeah. So thanks for watching again, guys. Have a blessed weekend. Have a profitable week, profitable month, and profitable year. Don't worry, guys. This is trading, so we're all trying to make it. The only difference that is there is just that the discipline and the level of consistency. How dedicated are you? Kids? Is it your way to try to get rich quick, or is it way for you that you know just trying to use as in like build wealth for you and some of your closest people, or you just doing this just for the lifestyle, or just doing this because somebody told you to do this, or just like there are a lot of reasons, or you're just in debt to just you know there are a lot of reasons that surround people being involved in trading. But whatever reason that you might have, I just hope that everything just works out and it's fine. You just find your way out of the situation that you're in. If you just trying to learn this and learn the skill, I can just tell you three simple things. Just stay consistent. The second thing is just stay disciplined. The third thing I'll just say is stay patient. Because of if e.g. if I were to enter a trade, how would I even start? You know, so meaning I've told myself that I will have the patience to wait for this trade. I am going to wait for this. There's nothing I'm going to, you know, what I am going to wait for is a break. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Break here, then I'm gonna buy. Then a break, first break, second break on the line, third break on the support. Then I'm gonna buy, then I'm gonna sell. So that's my symbol analysis. So again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. So stay safe, stay well, stay